Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a new page on Wix. This is useful when we want to expand our website by adding new sections, such as services, blog posts, or landing pages. Now, let's get started. On the Wix page editor, when we are already inside the website editor and we want to add a page, all we have to do is click on Pages on the left side of the dashboard. Once we're there, we will see the plus sign, or Add New Page. We can add a standard page or a dynamic page. Just pick the one we need. Let's add a standard blank page. As we can see, there is our new page. We can rename it Sample Blogs. The page is now visible on our Wix site. From here, we can start building our sections, adding layouts, designs, and elements. And that's how we create a new page on Wix. With just a few clicks, we can easily grow and organize our website the way we want.